This is the Starcraft SVX 210, which means it has the windshield. This is an IO, matching trailer with swing tongue, large swim platform, perfect for the sandbar. It has the flip up seat, which also folds down for a full sun pad with a convenient walk-through. Stepping up on the bow, another large swim platform with ladder and anchor storage. Wet storage there. Storage under all of your seats, under both console. Walk-through windshield. This is dual helm, both with bolsters. Glove box. This deck boat is ready for 12 people. Bluetooth stereo. Snap-in sea deck with a large ski locker. This walk-through to once again that large swim platform. If you're a fisherman, you could stand there all day. This is a 2023 Starcraft 210 SVX IO with a 200 horsepower Mercruiser.